For a November day, this is the best you can get in Minnesota. Alright guys, this is probably the last day that it's gonna be like super nice outside, so I'm out here recording, doing what I always do. What's going on, guys? Dag back out here, doing what we always do. I still got my winter gloves on. I did not want my hands to be cold. I was so tempted to wear my gauntlets. Oh my god, I was this close. I really just want my hands to be perfectly warm, and today is that kind of day. It's like 52 degrees right now. I'm just making our way around right now on my little beast of a Ninja 400. Woohoo! First red light today. Damn. But I'm feeling pretty good today. You know, today doesn't feel like too crappy of a day outside, even though it's colder than what I'm always used to. No, I could have made that. What am I doing? I'm probably gonna have to be putting this up soon. I will continue to ride as long as I possibly can. I did it last year, I'll do it this year. The second it starts to really get icy on the roads or snow, I just can't really, I can't do anything about that, you know? Yeah, it's just kind of how it goes. Green right as I stop. Love to see that. I kind of just want to wait for these people to go, if I'm being honest. Yeah, I got a wide open spot here. Wow. Didn't see that coming. I'm trying not to yell so much because I've noticed in my videos it starts to clip so much and the mic itself tends to peak and it doesn't sound so good, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna try to cut it out, yelling so much. You couldn't ask for a better day. I mean, if it was sunny outside, that probably would have topped it off, made it so nice, but you know what? Weather was nice, that's all I care about. Oh, it's getting hard to see with my visor, no. Why do I do this to myself? Every other time it's been like this, I've put on my clear visor, but I'm just, God, I think I'll have enough daylight, but I just end up spending so much time outside. I do it to myself, man. I do it all the time. I always want to pair the helmet with the nice visor that it came with. How's your day been going? No, how's your week been going? Has work been going good? Have you been on the motorcycle? Because I'm not going to be able to ride this thing for too much longer, sadly. But, you know, it's that's life, you know? If I was wearing my perforated gauntlets right now, my hands would be freezing. I got these nice-ass Columbia gloves on. Keep my hands nice and warm even when it's 10 degrees outside, 5 degrees. I even have a base layer to put underneath these that came with these gloves. I mean, they're not inexpensive gloves. But they're also not riding gloves either, so they're kind of chonky and thick. But you know what? Chonky and thick is... It's not restricting me for anything, so at least there's that. I have to get used to the whole chonky feeling. And by the way, guys, if you couldn't tell, this is me putting off getting actual insulated motorcycle gloves. Some actual riding gloves. I'm so dumb. I should be doing it, but you know what? I'm saving money by doing this. And if I feel like I'm safe with these, then that's all I care about. And I am safe. Oh my god, the Giants are getting destroyed right now. Oh, that's tough. I don't really care though. I get out of the store and what do I see? I see a beautiful sunset. The clouds are going away right now and it's just, wow. It is beautiful outside right now. Look at that. Oh my god. That view is amazing. And it's getting sunnier, or not sunnier, it's getting brighter outside because of those clouds going away. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. Remember to keep on riding, be safe, and enjoy your life. I am going home. I'm gonna watch some football. That's what I'm gonna do. Stay safe out there, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Very, very, very soon. I had to stop again. Holy shit. Look at this. Oh, man. All right. Bye, guys.